Ever wanted to organize a fun activity with your WhatsApp group friends, but struggled with the logistics? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you today: creating a pool. Let's dive in. Start by updating WhatsApp on the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Now open WhatsApp app and navigate to the group chat where you want to create the poll. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner and look for the poll icon. Tap it to insert a poll. Enter your poll question in the provided field. Make sure it's clear and concise. You can have as many options as you need. Consider using emojis to make your options more visually appealing. Also, you can see an option that can allow multiple answers in case you need. Once you're satisfied with your poll, review it one last time and then tap the send buttons. After sending the poll, you can see the results by tapping on the poll message. You'll see the number of votes for each option. Creating a poll on WhatsApp is a simple yet effective way to gather opinions and make decisions as a group. By following these steps, you can easily organize events, activities, or even choose a restaurant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tech tips.